We have received news of a new leaked video by CL. So I guess there's no other way than just go ahead and do the second rendition of our leaked CL songs. Because I know this song already, thanks to one of our community members that let me know that this came out. I am jumping into the opportunity to be able to react to this video. I know the song, I've heard it all before. I've seen the fan-made videos that were looping the song over and over, and the little bits and pieces that CL released back then when she was still under YG, and when she got really mad and she was like, oh, you're not gonna let me release my stuff? I'm gonna leak it anyways. So I don't know what's happening. Probably we'll look into the shenanigans of how this got leaked. But before it goes off of the earth of the internet, I was able to get a copy. And if you want to see my other reaction to other CL leaked videos or songs, this is where you can check it out. So without further ado, thank you for coming to my channel. This is very chaotic, but I'm really excited to watch this video. Let's go and watch All In by our dear CL. Getting off the elevator.
Don't you wanna know where we could be? Baby, don't lie. I am what you need.
Wow.
I am what you need.
Yeah.
Give in to the curiosity. Wouldn't waste time. My love ain't for free. My love ain't for free.
Ooh.
I see it in your eyes. Fire running wild. If I'm what you want, I need you all in. It's everything or
Oh, this,
nothing
I know this
now.
very
You know
well.
what I came here for. I need you to give me more. Say you all in. Let me take it to the top. Show me what you came here for. 'Cause I don't wanna wait no more. I need you all in.
Yeah.
I need you all in.
Yeah. I can't believe we're actually getting this video so long ago.
Don't you be afraid to be too deep.
Never.
You
Never,
know that's
Pisces.
what I like. The way you fill me up, I feel complete. And I'm down for the ride. The ride. I see it in your eyes. Fire running wild. If I'm what you want, I need you all in. It's everything or nothing now. You know what I came here for. I need you to give me more. Say you all in. Let me take it to the top. Show me what you came here for.
Yes.
'Cause I don't wanna wait no more. I need you all in.
Yeah.
I need you all in. I need your body, set my body free. I need you now, don't keep me waiting. I need you all in. I need your body, set
I remember
my body,
this
set
breakdown.
my body free. I need you now, don't keep me waiting. I see it in your eyes, fire running wild. If I'm
Come
what
on,
you
natural hair.
want, I need you all in. It's everything or nothing now. You know what I came here for. I need you to give me more. Say you all in. Let me take it to the top. Show me what you came here for. 'Cause I don't wanna wait no more. I need you all in. I need you all in. I need you all in.
What? Okay, I'm gonna try. Let me. I was gonna say that this song, specifically, I mean the song, but also specifically the video, I kind of see the seeds of alpha. I don't know if you follow what I'm saying. She was still in YG, so I think it was a little bit more tamed. I would say her artistic expression, because if you think about all the stuff that happened after this video was done, which was 2016, shit went down, right? The disbandment of 21. YG screwing her over and over again all the time. Her not resigning the contract and then releasing In the Name of Love, and then some EPs, and then Alpha. You could see the beginning of the journey she went through to get to where we are right now. I can see that in this video. I have to say, I was really surprised that they put this actual personification of who she was singing at in the video, because I think that's something that she's very keen on not doing. I'd say the only video that we do get some people, but they're not like super like, oh, this is you that I'm singing at, was Falling in Love. Even in I Love You, she's dancing at an empty chair. Maybe 5-star if you think about it, like it's a romantic setting. I think the majority of the looks I had seen either in her snippets that she posted on Instagram or in the fan-made videos that they gathered and put together. It's weird because it feels like I know this song, but this is the first time I'm watching the video and listening to the song, which is kind of strange. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or let's talk about the last scene. I don't know CL's entire astral chart. I know we discussed this a little bit here and there. I know she's a Pisces sun. I would love to know what her Mars and Venus are, and her moon, if anybody knows, because for certain things you need to know the exact information of when they were born and where. So I don't know if we have exactly the data, but if anybody does, I would love to know. This gives me very Scorpio vibes in some of these placements. I originally thought, okay, Pisces, I am a Venus Pisces, and she's a Pisces sun. So it's not the same, but like I can vibe with her. So I can understand the devotion to love, or the intensity that you can feel regarding love. This is what the song is about. The song is literally about, are you actually down to get down in the mud with me? Tell me you're all in. And I was like, okay, this is very Pisces themed. But when we get to the ending, her being wounded, we see that on repeat, bleeding out, and her blood shaping a heart. If that's not Scorpio coded, I don't know what is. So that to me is that scene is very Scorpio coded. I would love to know what you thought. I was stunned, shooketh by that scene. But at the same time, we know our girl. I am surprised that they would do that type of violence depiction. For me, it felt like, why do we have bullets and guns, and like why is this connected, right? Like it was kind of off for me. But if we think about the idol scene, people that have had issues with their mental health ending their existence, there's this thing about depicting a death, harsh topic or a difficult topic. And I get it, it's like totally different. I see this scene as showing her willing to be wounded. This is like her wearing her heart on her sleeve. If you're really all in going into a relationship, it means putting your walls down, letting that person get in. As you're offering your emotions and your soul and your heart, you're also giving them power. So I understand the symbolism behind it. I just think it's a little gruesome and a very Scorpio coded. Like, are you all in? We're sitting on the couch, like, you know. Even the first outfit that she had really took me to another outfit that she's wearing in Tai Cherry. I'm so happy that I can see these are like the first steps that she took towards what she's putting out right now as an artist. I feel like a proud mama. I don't know, let me know what you thought. Were you aware that this was out? I actually got a message on Instagram, so if you want to get in touch with me or let me know of anything to like, oh, this happened or something like that, connect with me on Instagram. My handle is the same as in YouTube, so you can do that or leave it behind in the comments. I also have a Patreon if you'd like to support me and all these videos that are coming out. I am on the lookout for the Swag Summer 2025 festival that Sai invited CL over, and I also know that Dara has some other performances that she's been doing recently, and we have a bunch of lineups for 21 in the summer. There's more content coming your way now that I'm out of my sore throat and all of the stuff that's been going on with my health. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. This is what I came here for.